Returning to school in a typical year can be complex. Managing COVID-19 precautions greatly increases this complexity. As an educator and parent, I appreciate Bretford's innovative CUBE Transport cart solution. It's not easy to organize the return of hundreds of student mobile devices, but the CUBE Transport cart provided a safe way to collect, organize, and manage the return of devices after the Learn from Home order this past spring. Thankfully, we were able to open our doors to student cohort groups this fall. As teachers rotate and transport sanitized devices from classroom to classroom, we feel good knowing our devices are safe, organized, and charged to 100% when students need them. History proves that some of the most creative solutions happen during crisis. It's a thrill to experience the innovation and support Bretford provides the education industry. Whether teaching is in person or remote, finding solutions to help students succeed leads to better education outcomes, and that's what we are all about.